Hi, my name is Luis Menendez and I work for Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty. And here I'm presenting you this incredible Cape Coral, Florida Art Festival that is done every year in January. Every January, hundreds of vendors come down to Cape Coral, Florida to sell their art. It is a great show. Watch how thousands of people show up to this event. If you're planning to come next year to Cape Coral, Florida area, to run away from the cold, feel free to visit this amazing show. If you're planning to buy some Cape Coral real estate, please don't hesitate to contact us. Hope you enjoy the video. Thank you.